My name's Kirsty Jennings. I'm 29, I'm from Cwmbran and I'm studying level 3 hairdressing. My long-term career goals would be to possibly own my own salon, own my own property and work at a managerial level, being a mature student. It wasn't until I got through these doors and started doing this course I realised that they were actually people that were older than me, they were mature students that were younger than me. We all get along so well because we've got this common interest where we want to be here. It's more like a home and a family than it is teachers and students, definitely. Not only did I have the normal anxiety of coming back to college and being a student, I also grew my family by one, and the college were absolutely lovely. They supported me. They made sure that this course would be amenable to me, even under my circumstances. The thing I love most about this course is the opportunities that are available to you and the staff. I find everyone really helpful and friendly and accommodating. I've come on massively in my practical and theory examinations. I'm getting distinctions in all of my assessments to date. I feel like that is the greatest achievement I can have during this course. I would definitely recommend Coleg Gwent if anyone's thinking of studying here. Staff here are incredible and I wouldn't want anyone to miss out on their opportunities here.